Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 4, we have x squared to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to x squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to 2x dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have arc side of u. And then we put about c. About u, that's about x squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.